Welcome to visualsmarket.com. We are a multimedia company aimed at serving you with products, services, and information for content creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs worldwide. Today's video is on how to get the most out of your free ads, 5 tips. But before we dig in, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get our information out to more people. We really appreciate it. Now, let's dig in. How to get the most out of your free ads, 5 tips. If you advertise for free, your ads are going to look cheap. With that in mind, here's some advice on how to get the most out of your free advertising. This article explains why free ads don't always have positive returns on investment and how to take advantage of them anyway. It also gives practical tips and advice on how you can get the most out of your free advertisements while they last. Anyone who has ever looked at an advertising option has probably seen ads that say they are free. It just means that the publisher is covering the cost, which means the advertising is free for you. You can find free ads on sites like Craigslist, Facebook, and Google. When you're paying for advertising, you want to understand how to track your return on investment. You want to make sure that you are getting your money's worth out of every ad that you run. At the same time, you don't want to overspend on advertising. You want to use your free ads to get a feel for what your audience likes and dislikes. You want to use them to track which keywords convert and which ones don't. You want to use the data pulled from your free ads to either keep doing what's working or to stop doing what isn't working. You don't want to continue to spend money on ads that aren't converting. You also don't want to stop investing in ads that are converting. One of the easiest ways to get the most out of your free ads is to find out who your target audience is. You can also run ads that are very specific, such as SEO for law firms in New York or computer repair for small businesses in Chicago. You can also find out which keywords to use by using the free ad to pull data. Simply type in the ads you want to run and select AdWords or AdWords Select. If you want to run an ad for free, you can use the keyword planner to find a good range of relevant keywords to use. Your landing page is where the user ends up when they click on your ad. If your ads aren't converting, it's important to discover why. You don't want to continue to invest money in ads that aren't bringing in profit. You want to be able to make future ads more appealing. You can do this by using your free ads to test your landing page. You want to change your landing page to see if it improves your conversion rates. You can use your free ads to see what landing pages people are clicking on and which ones they aren't clicking on. They are definitely worth looking into if you're advertising for free. Free advertising is all about volume. You want to put as many ads out there as you can. You want every ad to be so appealing that your customer can't resist clicking on it. Quality control is something you should always keep in mind when working with free advertising. You want to make sure that every ad you run is as appealing as it can be. This means using your best pictures, having a great description, and having a great landing page. These things are easier said than done when you're working with free ads. Not every website will let you put your logo or landing page in your ad. You'll want to make sure that your ads are attractive to click on, regardless of what you can and cannot include in them. Free advertising can be a great way to get new customers, but it isn't always the best option. You want to make sure that the ads are worth your time and the investment they take. You also want to make sure that you aren't violating any copyright laws. You can get the most out of your free ads by finding your target audience, testing your landing page, and utilizing ad extensions. You can also be aware of quality control issues with free ads. And for staying this long, we encourage you, our audience, to check out adcreative.ai. Generate conversion-focused ad creatives and social media posts in a matter of seconds using artificial intelligence. Get $500 free Google Ads credits. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you received any value, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, go to visualsmarket.com for more products, services, and information.